Get your spark plugs in your 5.7 changed in 15 minutes. Here's how. You laughing at my safety glasses? Huh? Safety first, baby. Safety first. All right, I got my spark plugs, my NGKs, 6619. It's the one step colder for the VVTs. They come pre-gapped. I'm gapping them at 0.044 as requested by my tuner. And I just gapped them up, so they're good to go. Let's install them. You definitely want to check the gaps because you know there's some idiot at AutoZone that dropped these things like 5 times. So you got to make sure they're all gapped the same. Can't trust nobody. And here's why. Here's why it only takes 15 minutes, baby. The heads are off the engine. Love it. So I'm just taking out the old spark plugs off the old heads. I'm gonna install the new ones onto the new heads. And it should take about 15 minutes. Fast and simple. I'm actually gonna recommend removing your heads for your spark plug installment. Spark plugs suck on these things. They suck. Like, look how easy this is. Look how simple this is. Simple, simple, simple. Loosen them all up. Tip her on over. Bam. Bam. Smack is strong. Got this from Harbor Freight too. Look how easy these come out. Look at this. Bam. So Bruno showed up. We're gonna swap his intake manifold with my ported 5.7 intake manifold. I'm gonna swap it out. I'm gonna make a video on it as well. Get the differences between the intake holes and the runner holes and everything. Throttle body holes. And we're gonna do a video on that as well. Just cranking down these babies. He's out there taking the intake, cold air CAI off, cold air intake. The 5.7 port is right there on my old Halloween mat. Be here before you know it. I'm gonna swap it out. I never seen Bruno touch a wrench before. This is kind of weird. You know what you're doing over there, buddy?
Yeah, I know what I'm fucking doing.
What'd I tell you about Potty Mouth, man? It's family, TunedRAMS family channel, bro. Damn, him and Roger, let's left off. F-bomb on my family channel, man. Messed up. It's for the kids, man. It's for the kids. Seating some 6619s, baby. Seating the spark plugs. That happened to me like 14 times working on this truck, man. Fell off that bucket so many times.
Bucket.
It hurts your ribs.
How many bolts hold this manifold?
I think there's 8 or 10.
You gotta get torqued.
Yeah, I got the torque sequence and the everything.
You got a torque wrench?
You know, do I have a torque wrench? This is Junior's garage, bro. Wait, we don't have a torque wrench? All right. All right, guys, there you have it. 15-minute spark plug for the 5.7 install. Why is it so fast and quick and easy? Because the heads are off the truck. Pop your heads off. It's much easier. Trust me. I do have a video that I recorded about 3 years ago of a spark plug replacement. It's got a lot of views. It's tough. If it's your first time, it can be tough, but it can be done. If you are popping your heads off and you're gonna do some motor work, just make sure you do the spark plugs before you put the heads on. So easy, so simple. If you actually are interested in removing your spark plugs, I will leave the link below for the original video I have for removing the spark plugs from the 5.7. All right, guys, appreciate the watch. Thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Talk to you guys later. Peace!